Right, ma'am. Firstly, identity. As you would have, learned, this one terrorist who's been captured alive from Noshera, the confession that which are close to the line of control. So while the ceasefire understanding,
other agencies as well as own sources, along with our own forward observation by the troops deployed on the line of control in the sector, which includes the troops of the Border Security Force, which had spotted suspicious movement in this area in this period. So based on these, Operation Mrityunjay was launched on 24th August in the Kamalkote area of Uri sector. The period of the operation was under inclement weather in terms of heavy rains and dense fog. And also, a note on the terrain is a difficult terrain in this area with undulations, steep gradient, thick undergrowth and dense vegetation, as well as a number of minefields. In this context, own troops that comprised of our ambush parties, small team ambush parties and surveillance detachments inducted into this area using stealth to their designated locations. To command the action, own teams were not picked up by the enemy's surveillance devices and surveillance mechanisms. Own teams were deployed in this location for over 25 hours, and at 7:50 a.m. on 25th August, the own teams spotted infiltrating terrorists crossing the line of control. At this moment, the team commander recited the ambushes based on the progress of the movement of the terrorists. The movement of the terrorists was ascertained by using the latest aerial and ground-based sensors and surveillance equipment. And as the terrorist movement progressed, own teams kept readjusting their ambush locations. At around 8:45 a.m., the terrorists came into the killing ground at 40 to 50 meters from the own ambush. At that moment, own ambush engaged the terrorists by